Hi, Brad Richardson here with Logic. I'm going to improve your productivity today by showing you a little bit about Microsoft OneNote. Let's take a look.
OneNote is set up just like a binder, probably similar to the one that you had in high school, where within a binder you have sections where you have colored tabs, and within those colored tabs you'll have pages. To create a new notebook, a new section, or a new page, just simply select the purple plus sign at the bottom of each section. To start typing a note, just simply click anywhere on the white note page and start typing. You can easily move these notes as well around on your page by selecting a crosshairs and then adjusting where you want that text to be. There are multiple options to insert media into a note, such as a file, pictures, links, even audio to record audio. And you can import meeting details as well from calendar events in Outlook, which is pretty helpful. You can also share notebooks with colleagues by selecting the notebook on the left side, then in the top right selecting Share and choosing those colleagues you wish to share the notebook with. When you share the notebook with colleagues, they'll also be able to contribute to the notebook.
Thanks for watching and have a great week.